Hey, welcome to HOWZA channel. In today's video, we will show you how to find word count in Google Documents. Google Docs can display the word and character count for an entire document or a selected section. The system will show word count, overall character count, the number of letters, symbols, numbers, and spaces, and character count excluding spaces. On a laptop or a desktop computer in Chrome, the system also shows the number of pages in your Google Doc. Open Google document that you need. Click on Tools at the top Tools bar. Choose Word Count from the list. A pop-up window will appear. You will see information about pages count, words, characters, and characters excluding spaces. Click OK once you're done. You can also turn on Word Count display while typing. Click on Tools at the top Tools bar. Choose Word Count from the list. A pop-up window will appear. Check Display Word Count while typing option. Click OK. You will see the count bar at the bottom left corner of the window. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you used any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!